Hi guys, what's up, and welcome back again to another vlog. So, mag-walking vlog na po ito guys. And I stayed in Niman, and now I'm visiting another portion of the city, which is the Old City. So, let me show you. It was called Old City because, as you can see, there's a brick guys, and probably it's part of the ancient kingdom or the Lana Kingdom in Chiang Mai before. And would you look at that guys, the view here is stunning. Look, and with all those walls and all these canals. So what we're going to do is we'll be going around this one, and let's go inside. Unfortunately guys, the intersection is not pedestrian friendly. It does not have any markings, so you just have to help yourself. You look at this, isn't it amazing? And there's a building over here guys, it's probably a condo, so you can do walking here guys. It's a very nice place to do walking and exercise. What's nice about this place guys is like the old meets the new, so they did not destroy the old structures before during the Lana Kingdom that was probably 300 or 400 years ago. So yeah, so nice place, very nice. And there are a lot of cars guys, as always. Chiang Mai is so traffic because I just got here from Chiang Rai yesterday. And all I can say that is that Chiang Rai is, for me, is better because it's not that chaotic. Look at the cars guys, like they are everywhere. Look at the view, so nice. Another fire truck guys ay basi na siguro sunog. Unfortunately, I think it's going to rain. Oh my gosh. Let's look for a place to stay. Sapnan jud tas ulan. Unfortunately, our gala trip is cut short. So let's take refuge to that store guys. And let's eat. Hi guys. What's up? And welcome back again to another eating vlog. So it's probably a late lunch because it's already 3 p.m. here in Chiang Mai. And unfortunately, my walking tour was cut short because it's raining. Let me show you. It's raining guys. So we will be eating here. Hopefully it's affordable. And beside us is the 7-Eleven. Look. So it's raining guys. And we will take refuge in this restaurant. The rain has stopped already guys, but our next problem is how to cross the road. But the roads here are in Chiang Mai is so busy. Two big slices there. Good thing that the rain has stopped already. I didn't know there's a scene. So agi kahumanan ang sakyanan guys. I don't have any hopes of crossing the road. I'm a bit scared. We were able to cross the road now, and we're here in front of Starbucks. So we will continue our walking tour around the old city. So we are also here in front of Chiang Mai Ram Health Center. Look at all these cars and motorcycles. We are non-stop guys, also on the other side, like oh my god. And we are now approaching that gate. So yeah, and we're not even done on one side of the quadrangle. Yeah, so this one formed a quadrangle guys. It surrounded the old city, this water. We are now approaching guys the Nisamura gate. So yeah, and there's something there guys. I guess it's part of this wall Let's go. Portion over here, guys, is like a gate. Probably during the ancient kingdom here in Chiang Mai. Sound Dok Gate. So it's a gate, guys. Look. The school here, guys. And bago na sila ng Watano Thai Payap School, Chiang Mai. So many students are crossing the overpass. So they are going home now. So those are the students from that school. Like so many of them. Finally, guys, after a few kilometers of walking, we finally made it here on the other end of the old city square. So like this is just one stretch, and I decided not to go around the square anymore. Instead, we will go directly to the temples inside. The other end, like it's very long, guys. Good thing, guys, that this portion is nice and it's walkable. And archaeological excavations made in 1996 revealed the exposure of the two narrow passageways, 1 meter wide each in the southern direction. I wonder what it looks like originally, guys. The city of Chiang Mai was founded by King Mang Rai in 1296. Its town plan was square in shape, which is 1,550 meters wide and 1,600 meters long, enclosed by a moat and earthen embankment. The city walls of Chiang Mai were rebuilt twice during the times of Phra Muang Khel in 1519 and King Kawila in 1796. The walls had 5 gates. Thap He Gate, which will go later, on the east side, originally named Chang Trek Gate, but later due to confusion over names was called the Thap He, which was the name of the gate in the outer wall near the Ping River Pier. Chiang Mai Gate and Suan Thong Gate on the south side, Suan Dok Gate on the west side, and Chang Puak Gate on the north side. The bastions at the 4 corners are called Jeng, a local term for corner. This southwestern corner bastion is called Jeng Ku Huang, derived from Mun Ruang, the name of the bastion administrator. It was a circular in plan, which was presumably the original plan before it was rebuilt into a pentagonal shape during the time of King Kawila in 1796. The bastion had a battlement, and a wooden western-influenced structure may have been constructed on top, similar to the bastions of the early Ratanakosin period. Jeng Ku Huang was restored by the 7th Regional Office of Fine Arts Department, Chiang Mai, in 2018 to 2019. After a few minutes of walking, we come across with this park. It's a very nice park, guys, and look, it's rubberized. I forgot the name of the park, but it's a very nice park, guys, and many are jogging here, guys. So there's like a clock tower here featuring the late king of Thailand. Another structure here, guys, somewhat like a gate, but instead of going directly there, we will turn left because we will be visiting the first temple inside the old city here in Chiang Mai. This is what you will see inside the old city, guys. It's just like any ordinary streets. You would not know that it's enclosed with a canal. There's a hotel over here, guys. Very nice hotel. Guys, in this street, I noticed a lot of money changer, travel agencies, and of course the usual massage place. And like this one, guys, they have a travel agency over here. And another restaurant. See, Gabi. And then, of course, another agency, guys. Wow. Batman tour. we are getting near the first temple that we will be visiting. It's after a few kilometers. We are now here on our first stop, but we will not go inside because I am wearing shorts. Buddha is not for decoration or tattoo. So it's a very nice temple, guys. Look. The name of the temple is Wat Prasing. And now let's explore a little bit over there. So they are not wearing pants, so I think it's okay.
The importance of the Vesak Asara Puja's Day นั่นเองครับนี่ก็ขอเชิญชวนทุกท่านทุกคนนะขณะนี้เหลือเวลาอีกประมาณ
This is Wat Prasing, guys. When you view it here in front, it's in front of a busy intersection, and for you to get inside, you have to pay for a ticket. We're here in front of Anuban, Chiang Mai. So this is the kindergarten of Chiang Mai, guys. And there are a lot of shops here in front. So pictures siguro na siya. So many kids are here. Look at that. Now here, guys, another next stop is Wat Chedi Luang. Let's go. This is Wat Chedi Luang, guys. And let us go inside and see what's here. So this is what you will see, guys. It's a very nice temple over there. And also there, it's like a black temple. And this one is a bit black. So the ticket is here. So it's 50 baht. So the ticket is 50 baht. And there's a very tall tree here, guys. Wat Chedi Luang, Chiang Mai is one of the 8 Chiang Mai cultural heritage sites to be proposed to UNESCO World Heritage Site. The largest chedi in Chiang Mai had been constructed since 14th century by King Sen Wangma. Oh. It was then 82 meters high and had a base diameter of 54 meters. At that time, it was the largest building in Lana Kingdom. So these are the do's and don'ts, but primarily the don'ts. No smoking, no littering, no do not wear camisoles, no speeding, keep silent, and no wearing of shorts. But we will not be going in, guys, because we have visited a lot of temples already. So I guess that's enough. And beside the temple, guys, is a school. So I think that school is administered by the temple here. Our next stop is the temple named Wat Pan On. So this was not part of our itinerary, but we happened to pass by here, and I think there's no entrance, so let's walk around a little bit. So Wat Pan On was constructed around 1501 AD. Oh, so this time Chiang Mai is not yet part of Thailand. So this is the temple. Look. And there's a stupa over there. Nice. And that's the temple, guys. And there are monks over there. Guys, I have to pass by this vendor. And this is 20 baht. So let us check if this 20 baht is worth it. Para pula, guys. But I did not put this in the sauce because it might be so spicy. Good. Worth it for 20 baht. So this is the Tape Gate, guys. And I think I'm familiar with this. Yeah, right. So if you want to take pictures, you take your pictures here. Tape Gate. In Tape Gate, guys, this will greet you. There are a lot of people here taking pictures and videos. And look at that.
좋다 둘이. 조금만 일로 이거 저줄
So the name of this is Tape Gate. And I guess everyone's well represented here except for the Philippines. So I think I'm the only Filipino here, guys. Look at that. The entrance is so busy, guys. So let's go to the other side. There's also a canal here. And it's being surrounded with a lot of stores. And check the canal, guys. This is the canal here near Tape Gate.